Hi and welcome back to the Stone Ranger. So I've been set a new challenge. Last time my challenge was to carve a house number with a screwdriver, which to be honest with you was pretty easy. It was we got it done in no time. If you want to see that video, I'll stick a link in the description. But somebody on that video challenged me to carve, see if I can do some stone carving with something a bit larger like a crowbar. And if Mr. Dave Cramp is watching, he'll recognise this crowbar because it's got the green paint on it and it's come out the tool store at work. But don't worry Dave, it'll be back hanging up tomorrow morning and no one will be none the wiser. So the way I'm going to go about this, I'm going to go and find a nice chunky piece of stone in my offcut pile, my spoil pile, and then I'm going to get it on my bench and I'm going to carve a star. I quite like the idea of a star, just a quickly drawn star on there. Quite like it's tapering down, and I think the end of the crowbar worked really well as it tapers down as we're chiseling away because it's nice and wide. So I think that's a good way of going about it. The spoil pile has got all sorts in there, so there's a chance we might need to cut it with the saw. If so, I'll put it on the video and then we'll wash it up, we'll get it on the workbench and we'll start doing a bit of carving. Wish me luck. That's it, I'm all finished up, and as always you guys get to decide whether it's challenge completed or not. I'm fairly happy with it, but you have your say in the comments below, and if you have any more challenges for me, just stick them in the comments and we'll see what we can come up with. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.